If you're a small business owner looking for a CRM, you're probably torn between Salesflare and HubSpot CRM, but which is truly the best option for you? Both offer solid features, but they each have their pros and cons, especially when it comes to usability, pricing, and integration with other tools. Today, we'll dive into a detailed comparison to help you make a more informed decision. First, let's start with ease of use. Salesflare is often praised for its simple and intuitive interface. If you're a small business owner with a small team or even a solopreneur, you'll appreciate how quickly you can get up and running without spending hours on setup. The software is designed to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you, automatically filling in details from emails, social media, and calendars. HubSpot CRM, on the other hand, while user-friendly, does have a bit more of a learning curve, especially when you start adding extra functionalities. It's a bit more robust in features, but that can feel overwhelming for smaller teams or those just starting out. Next, let's talk about pricing. HubSpot CRM is free to start with, which sounds great on paper, especially for small businesses with tight budgets. But as you scale and need more advanced features like automation, reporting, or custom integrations, those costs can quickly add up. In contrast, Salesflare has a simpler pricing structure that charges per user. This can be a bit more predictable in terms of budgeting, and you're paying for the features that you actually use. So if you're a small business that plans to keep your team small, Salesflare might be more cost-effective in the long run. The third thing worth considering is automation and integrations. HubSpot CRM has one of the most extensive integration libraries on the market, offering everything from email marketing tools to customer service platforms. If you're already using other tools like Google Ads, Shopify, or even Zoom, HubSpot will likely integrate seamlessly. Salesflare, while it offers integrations, has fewer options in comparison. However, its automation features are excellent for a smaller team, automatically logging activities, tracking deals, and generating reports with minimal manual input. If you're a business owner who just wants things to run without too much customization, Salesflare's automation might be a better fit. Next, we have customization. HubSpot CRM offers a great deal of customization, which can be useful for larger teams that need to set up complex workflows. You can tailor your dashboards, reports, and even customer journeys. Salesflare, though more limited in customization, still provides basic options that are more than sufficient for a small business. If your CRM needs are straightforward, Salesflare's simplicity might be appealing. But if you need the flexibility to create highly customized reports and workflows, HubSpot will give you the freedom to do that. The fifth thing is customer support. HubSpot CRM has a reputation for stellar customer service, with lots of resources, a community, and live chat support available to users on all plans. However, some users have found the response time slow, especially when using the free plan. Salesflare also provides strong support, but it's often praised for its smaller, more personalized support team. If you're looking for quicker help with specific issues, Salesflare's support team may be more responsive in those moments. So, Salesflare versus HubSpot CRM, which is better for small businesses? Both are solid options, but each comes with its own strengths and weaknesses. HubSpot CRM is great if you need scalability, extensive features, and powerful integrations. But it can be overkill for a smaller operation, especially as the costs pile up. Salesflare, on the other hand, is more streamlined and affordable, making it an ideal choice for smaller teams who want a simple and efficient CRM. Here's where it gets interesting. While both tools are good, after trying both myself, I've found a better alternative that offers the best of both worlds: simplicity, powerful automation, and scalability for growing businesses. If you want a more effective solution to manage your customer relationships, I recommend checking out the free trial in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you can't find anywhere else. The choice between Salesflare and HubSpot CRM depends on your business needs, but if you're looking for something that will truly elevate your CRM game without the hassle of high costs or complicated features, don't miss out on the opportunity to try this better alternative for yourself.